Hi, hello everybody. This is going to be the kit I'm going to be working with in March. Okay, I haven't done a lot of pink lately, and I wanted to do something so that I can incorporate a bit of lace, a little bit pink, if you know what I mean. So I've gone down the sort of flowery rose thing. It's just what I fancied doing. So I've actually done this for me, and so I thought I would offer it. There's 30 pages in this kit. And I just thought it'd be nice to make a journal out of all the pages and everything, and see what happens. Okay, now I have done this size different. Okay, to make I think I've done it so it's like 4 3/4, something like that. It might even be 4 1/2. Can't remember. I wanted it because I lose a bit when I print on my laser. I can't get it so tall as I would like for what I feel is a balance. Okay, so this is just printed out. Oh, and when you print things like this out and it's got a different size, I will put that on the Etsy listing. You know, note, this is a different size journal. You need to uncheck that box that says fit to page. Okay, and then it should print the right size. So yeah, that's nearly 4 3/4, just a little, it might be actually, yeah, it is 4 3/4. Okay, and yours should be the full length of your page there, because or A4, so it should be 4 1/4. Okay, but mine, because it's a laser, I lose some. All right, yeah, because I've done it, yeah, that's right, to make a journal 4 3/4 by 8 1/4. Okay, but then I lose it and I get about 8. All right, so that's one page there. Then I thought, oh, it's a little bit bare in the middle, so I went and grabbed which I thought was quite nice, and I thought then wallpaper, I shall link that kit as well, wallpaper sample kit. And then I done a collage piece with all the bits of wallpaper, didn't I? So I put that sort of like in that bit there in the middle. And I thought, oh, yeah, that looks nice. That'll be, so I wasn't sure which page to use, so I put them both in. And then I thought we could use some of these prints through the journal if I didn't do so many pages, but I've ended up doing quite a few. But if you wanted to make it look a bit different, then the wallpaper was going to go with this. Okay, and then just sort of damask with some roses. Yeah, that would actually look nice in a Belle journal, to be honest. And then I've done this sort of lacy background, a plainish page, which you know you need. I've done that in the full scat as well, that I've added in. Another sort of pink with white script on, quite delicate. Yeah, so on this page there's like some faint script in the background and some peel paint and things. More roses, loads of roses. I'm going rose mad. Okay, and I thought this would also be nice for some of my you know, Victorian beauties and things like that. So, and I have put some in here. Some of my favourite ones. Another rose, that looks like a nice wallpaper one. And then I've done all little bits of French ephemera on this one, and just put that together for a little collage sheet. I've done that one in large as well. And then I've got a couple of sheets of these where you cut them down, and yes, they are smaller, but that's, you know, that's good. That's through the journal. And then this one here. And then these are the large ones. So I've done that one at full scat. And these, one that's, you know, faded out or tone on tone. Then the lace one. Mine shooted off a bit there. I printed that. That's all right. Saves me having to cut 4 sides out. Then one of the damasks. And then that really nice pretty rose one. Nice, that printed beautifully on vellum, that one. Right, and then I've got some odd bits. I'm going to sort of like, this is like build a topper page, so you sort of build it up. So I will do that one on. I think I just put these bits in as a little extra just to fill in that gap there, but it was sort of like that went there, then that, and then that on the top of that. It just looked nice. I was just playing around on the computer, so come up with that, and I thought, well, you can cut that out and do it yourself. And then some other extra little bits here that can be used. Yeah, I think I'd done that one first and I used this, and then I didn't use that at all through that background, but I added it anyway, so I thought, no, and that's my own doily there that I scanned in. And then I added some little bits of paper that you can rip and tear and just put on here or anywhere really, but they're just handy to have just to fill in those gaps there. So that's a coin envelope. Got two of those, another one there. Yeah, I just had this idea of this, these don't have to be used on this. I just put them in because there was a gap there. But for like, and put a pin on the top, like, or a rusty safety pin. It looked like fabric, but it's not. Then 2 envelopes, large size envelopes. Then this was like a large pocket page. Okay, I'm done with that. Yeah, pocket, and now tag fits in there, and that goes onto that. And I've done another one, but with so the French ephemera kit. I took it out of that, so I thought, and I've done another bit large pocket as well, because you need something to, you know, break the pages up. So I've done that, and also could use some of that in the journal, that kit. So, and some pockets. So you've got those ones, and then you've got the taller ones there. I did shrink them in a little bit from what I normally do because it's not such a wide journal. Then some postcards, and there's going to be like a freebie to go with this on the Ko-fi page. There'll be some more of these. And some little Polaroid ones, but I can't call them Polaroid, but you know what I mean. Because, oh, and these are the fabric sample ones. Okay, oh, I must print that one out again. Blurred a bit there. Yeah, print that one out again. Yeah, so these are just the flowery ones. Okay, and these like flip over, and then that folds over. And you've got a card then to put little bits of fabric on. And I think I looked on, you know, French versus English and how to say something about something about fabric. I can't remember what I typed in now. Oh my God, that's terrible. And because I started off with the plain ones, and I thought, oh, I want to do some that's a bit patterned as well. So that's why you got 2 sheets of that. And then you got some little, like I say, I was playing on the computer, layering things up. So you've got that as is. And you got a couple of frames, pictures in, some tickets, and some for dangles. And then you've got this one here. It's a little bit different to the other one, but I love her. And I haven't used her in anything, actually. She's on the Ko-fi page, separate, on big sort of topper. So that one I've done as well. And then I like the colour of this one, so I popped her in, and I was just playing, putting her behind the flowers and things. So, and then you've got some bits and pieces here, and that's it. So yes, it's 30 pages in that kit, so you should have loads of fun with it. Okay, loads of fun. Right, okay, hope you enjoy that, and that's what I'll be using in March. Okay, thank you very much then, and I'll speak to you soon. But I'll tell you what, sorry, what I'll do, I'll show you the freebie that's going to be on. Sorry, I shrunk that one down. Freebie. So there'll be some postcards, okay, and some Polaroid ones. All right, and that's it, 2 to page. I mean, I can put one of them in as well if people struggle to shrink down. So, especially if you've got iPads, some people do struggle. So I shall put if I remember, I shall put a copy in of that as well in with the freebie. Okay, but if I do forget, please remind me and I can always pop it in. All right. Well, thank you very much, everybody. And now I'm going. Okay, bye.